Hi everyone, here we've got LG G8X ThinQ, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's go to the settings. Here let's find lock screen and security, and here we've got the fingerprint, so let's tap on it. Let's click on next, and now your device is telling you that you will have to add an additional password which you will use instead of the fingerprint. So let me pick, for example, the pattern. Here you've got some secure startup settings, but I will stick with no thanks. Let's click on next and let's set the pattern. Let's draw it, click on next, redraw it, click on confirm. And here you can decide what kind of notifications you want to see while your device will be locked. So you can show all notifications, we can hide sensitive ones or hide all notifications, but I will stick with hide sensitive notification content. Click on OK. And now we have to place our finger on the sensor. So let's do this. As you can see, we've just added 15% of our fingerprint. Try to catch every corner in order for better recognition. Okay, now we have to move our finger around to capture the edges. So let's click on next. Let's put our finger and roll it. At least try. Okay, and now we can add more fingerprints if you want. If not, click on OK. And as you can see here, we've got our fingerprint added. We can check for the fingerprint if everything works fine. We can set it as a screen lock, content lock, or tap to show icon when screen is off. Now let's check if it is working. Let's lock our device. And as you can see here, we've got the sensor, so let's put the finger on it. And now the device is unblocked, so it means that everything went fine and we just successfully added our fingerprint. So that's all. This is how to add fingerprint to your LG G8X ThinQ. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.